Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Windows 11 taskbar not showing problem. Let's fix it guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. In this video I'll be sharing two solutions today guys. For the first solution we need to open Task Manager. We can open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl Alt plus Delete keys in keyboard. Ctrl Alt plus Delete key and click on Task Manager. You just need to search for Windows Explorer in here. Right click on the Windows Explorer and select End Task guys. This will make the taskbar disappear guys. To bring it back you just need to click on Run New Task and type here Explorer explorer.exe. Click on the check mark, create this task with the administrative privileges and select OK. And now you can see the taskbar is back. By doing this we can refresh the taskbar. This will temporarily fixes the problem. We can also permanently fix this problem. To do this you just need to press in keyboard Windows key and R key together and opens up run. In here you just need to type percentage local app data percentage. Click on OK. Now in here you just need to select the view tab over here and select show and select hidden items. Now in here you just need to locate icon cache files. Here we get guys, you just need to right click on it and select delete it guys. After deleting it, close out of here. Now we need to restart our computer. Go ahead and restart it guys. After doing this we can check your problem resolved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys, and you can also subscribe me and support me. Thank you.